The most important revenue sources include the income tax, social security, corporate tax, and the value-added tax, which are all applied on the federal level. Among the total tax income, the ratio of local taxes is solely 5%, while the EU average is 30%. For the first and second dependent children, the allowance is HUF 62,500, while in case of 3 or more children the allowance is HUF 206,250 per beneficiary dependent child. The rate of value-added tax in Hungary is 27% as standard rate, the highest in Europe, since 1 January 2012. A reduced rate of 18% is applicable to dairy and bakery products and hotel services and admission to short-term open-air events. From January 2011, under the new corporate income tax regime, the tax rate was divided into two parts: I. For corporations having income before tax below 500 million HUF, the rate was lowered to 10%, and 2. The 16% rate remained unchanged for all other companies until 2013. After this, the unified corporate income tax rate will be 10%, irrespectively from the size of the net income before tax. Before the new corporate income tax regime, the corporate tax was fixed at 16% of the positive rateable value, with an additional tax called solidarity tax of 4%, the measure of which is calculated based on the result before tax of the company. The solidarity tax has been in use since September 2006. Employment income is subject to Social Security contributions, for the employer at a flat rate of 27%. Furthermore, employers pay 1.5% into a training fund.